Meet the AppBot, the world's first 3D printable learning robot. The AppBot isn't just a robot. It's not just a toy. It's an educational platform that brings STEM skills to life. From 3D CAD design to 3D printing to robotics. From code to creativity. You build it, you program it, you bring it to life. No pain, no gain. And yes, you can even teach it to dance. For students and educators, the AppBot offers a complete ecosystem, from tutorials, manuals, community support, and a growing library of movement sequences. We're building a global community of learners, builders, and future innovators. One AppBot at a time. Join the movement, build the future. Start your AppBot journey today.